Subject Irrigation Engineering, Chapter Soil Water Constants, Topic Numerical number 1 on soil water constants expressed in depth units. Now students, it's time to solve a numerical based on the concept that we have already discussed. So the question is the field capacity and permanent wilting point for a given 0.8 meter root zone, right? So root zone depth is given to you as 0.8 meters of a soil are 35% and 10%. So your field capacity is 35% and your permanent wilting point is actually your 10% respectively. Okay. When a farmer, this is also given, at a given time, the soil moisture is 20%. So soil moisture is also given to us at a given particular interval of time. Let me use another marker, right? When a farmer irrigates soil with 250 mm depth of water, so depth of water is given, the amount of wastage, so we have to calculate the wastage of water, right? In mm is how much? Assume G. G is the specific gravity of soil. Okay. Now, I told you a few formulae, right? And I also told you that if in question the soil moisture is mentioned to you and permanent wilting point is also mentioned, so we have to use the soil moisture content formula. So the formula actually becomes the depth of water is actually equal to gamma D divided by gamma W into depth of the soil or the depth of the root zone multiplied by field capacity minus readily available moisture or OMC, right? So moisture, right? Okay. So first of all, I have to calculate how much depth of water is required to irrigate this type of soil. And now farmer is giving me 250 mm depth of water. Then I have to see how much extra water the farmer is giving to the soil. Okay, because extra water is dangerous because it can cause water logging and it can also, you can say, deteriorate the growth of crops also. Okay, so the depth of water, the optimum depth of water will be equal to gamma D. Now gamma D is not given to me. Gamma W I know. Gamma W is 1 gram per cc or 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. Gamma W I know. But gamma D is not given. But instead of gamma D, it has mentioned the specific gravity. So specific gravity is mentioned. And if you remember soil mechanics, that the specific gravity of particular soil is given by gamma D divided by gamma W. What is specific gravity? With respect to water, right? Okay, so it will be equal to, can I replace this with G? Yes, I can replace. So it will be gamma dW will be equal to 1.6 into depth of the root zone is 0.8 multiplied by field capacity is 35% means 0.35 minus moisture 20%, 0.2. Clear? So this will be 0.15. So 1.6 into 0.8 into 0.15. So it comes out to be, let me calculate how much it comes. So 1.6 into 0.8 into 0.15. 0.192 meters. 0.192 meters or 192 mm is the correct answer, right? So 192 mm is the optimum water content that is required in this type of soil. But farmer is giving 250 mm depth of water. It means that he is giving extra water. So some water will, you can say, it will add to the runoff. It will go as a wastage. That is the wastage of water. So you can say that the wastage will be equal to 250 minus 192. So it will be equal to 8 and plus 50, that is 58 mm. So 58 mm is the correct answer. So A is the correct answer. So I hope that you have understood this numerical. Clear? So now let's move forward and solve some previous year GATE questions which have been asked on this topic of this chapter as the soil water constant. So let's move forward and solve a few previous year GATE questions which I feel that they were a little bit tricky. Thank you.